This is Lucy. She is an American student in Taipei, is tricked into meeting a Korean crime boss, Mr. Jang. Inside the briefcase, a new synthetic drug called CPH4, a chemical naturally produced in pregnant women to help create life. But this version, it doesn't create life, it upgrades it. Lucy refuses to cooperate, so they cut her open, sew the drug inside her abdomen, turn her into a courier, beaten, locked in a room, waiting to be shipped. The kick tore open her stitches and ruptures the bag. The chemical leaks into her bloodstream. Her body starts shaking. She tries to pull herself together, but she begins to lose control. Then she reaches at 20% of controlling her brain capacity. She doesn't feel pain anymore. Fear disappears. Emotions detach. She escapes without rushing, without anger, just calculation. At 30%, she can control her own cells, stops bleeding instantly, learns Chinese in seconds, reads entire medical files in a glance. She calls her mother not to say goodbye emotionally, but to describe memories in perfect detail, as if she's already separating from being human. She contacts Professor Norman, a man who theorized about humans reaching full brain capacity. He once said if we reached 100%, we might control time and matter. He thought it was a theory, but she becoming a proof. Lucy told him that soon she will share all of her knowledge about human and universe existence to him. At 40%, her tooth falls out and her skin begins to peel. Her body starts to disintegrate, so Lucy takes more CPH4 and it slowly stabilizes. At 60%, she manipulates electronics, erases data. The Korean mobs tries take another package of CPH4, but she controls their bodies like switches and retrieves it. At 70%, time begins to bend. She doesn't just remember the past, she travels through it. Watching evolution, watching cells divide, watching the first spark of life. Her body starts destabilizing. At 90%. In a lab surrounded by supercomputers, her physical form melts into black organic matter, merging with machines, absorbing all human knowledge at once. Past, present, future, all visible, at 100%. Her body is gone, only a black USB drive remains on the table. The professor stares at it. A phone vibrates. One message appears, "I am everywhere." She didn't become smarter. She became something beyond human.